Real quick, I just want to kind of show you guys what a signal looks like. I actually sent this one out on the USD JPY. I sent this one out maybe about an hour and a half ago, something like that. And it's already hit our 41 pip take profit. By the way, today is, and you can see the numbers, okay? So you can know this is not a scam. This is anything else. Here's the entry price. Here's where I told them to put the stop loss. Here's where I told them to put the take profit. Okay, so today is 5/22/2022. 5/22/22. Okay, 5/22/22. May 22nd, 2022. Okay, so as you can see, I sent this signal out, therefore, again, we had the USD JPY. Here was the entry price. Here's the stop loss. Here's the take profit. Then I sent out an update, letting them know, hey, you guys, some people are still haven't seen it yet, but they will. They'll wake up to profit. But you can see it did hit the take profit. And again, why did I give you the specific date? I gave you the specific date because I wanted you to actually see the entry price on the date that I'm doing this video, just in case you see it 2-3 months from now, whatever, it doesn't matter. You'll be able to know, okay, he did say this. I do see the entry. Here goes another one that I sent out. We'll see how this one plays out. It's getting late, so some people are asleep. They'll wake up and see it, hopefully, and get in on time. But again, I sent this one out. As you can see right here, it shows the entry price, the stop loss, and the take profit on this one as well. So we've already won this one, and didn't take long, thank God for that. But just want to kind of show you guys what this looks like, so that you guys will know, okay, hey, what does it kind of look like now? My partner, Mr. Elvis, he uses a different format when he sends out his signal, so you'll typically see a different format like that in the group. Here's a look like this. But it still had to take profit. See, and he said, hey, this is one he sent out last week. And this one he had sent out, as you can see, a sell trade on AUD USD. Here's the entry price, the stop loss, and the take profit. And this was Friday, so he told them, hey, close it out. Why? Because take your profit on this one. So he closed it out a bit early. Mr. Elvis did, but they closed it out in profit. And the same thing with this one on Friday, USD Swiss, it was closed out also in profit. So you'll see either Mr. Elvis format like this, or you will see my format like this. Okay, either way it goes, you'll be able to see, what's going on with exact entries, stop loss, and to take profit. And if we decide to close the trade out early, we'll let you know. So that you can just snatch profit. Now, the reason why we close out early sometimes is because if it's close to our take profit, or we see something shaky in the market, or some news event is coming out or something like that, we don't want to hold the trade when we're sitting in profit. So we'll just say, hey, take your money and run, or just, like you've seen on Mr. Elvis do on 2 trades on Friday on AUD USD and USD Swiss. He said, hey, go ahead and take your profit because it was Friday. You don't want to hold those trades over the weekend being greedy. Okay, so there you go. Okay, so now you just seen 2 trades from Mr. Elvis, one for me that we just took about an hour and a half ago that already hit take profit, and you see that I sent out another one. And as people are seeing this later on, they'll hop into the trade. This is typically, by the way, our trades that we send out in the signal section of our service. These are typically day trades to swing trades. Okay, so good enough for you to get in, and hold it for a couple hours, maybe a day, maybe a couple of days. They typically are day trades that we send out, but depending on how the market moves, it can move slow or fast. We don't control that. We just look for entry prices and go accordingly. Okay. Now, as far as in the scalping group, that's totally different. You'll be in a live setting where you'll be in there with Miss Jenny, because we don't send scalp trades out because those trades happen way too fast. You can be in and out of a trade in a matter of minutes. So we don't send it out as a signal because, as you can see, it's going to take a while for people to actually, see this trade, whatever time frame they're on. They'll see it and hop in if they get in. If they still see the prices around the same entry, they'll hop in whenever they get in, and they get in where they fit in, right? All right, there you go. But with the scalping, we want to do that live because with scalp trades, and I'm sure if you're watching this video and never traded before, you know how scalp trades are. Scalp trades, they happen very, very quickly. They can be taken off the 1 minute and the 5 minute time frame. So therefore, you want to be there at the time of the entry. And so we do that under the watchful eye of our great leader in the scalping market who's setting records, and that's Miss Jenny. So you will be able to be in a live setting with her in addition to receiving signals. So that's the great part about our service. It's not only the signals, but it's also where you'll actually be able to go live in a live setting to do scalping. So if you want to get signals and do the live scalping, you can do both, or you can choose which one you want. So it's just up to you. But again, as you can see, here was a hot trade, just sent it out. It won. You've seen two other ones on Friday, AUD, USD. That was a winner. They closed out early in profit, and so did they do on USD Swiss. So technically, between Friday and today, that's 3 winning trades in a row. We'll see how this USD CAD trade plays out. But I just want to kind of show you guys. So a lot of you guys were wondering, you know, what do they actually look like? Okay, so I just showed you what the formats look like. Also, this is in our private Telegram group. That's why the window of this is very small, because I'm not showing you everything until you join. But like I said, the scalping group, that's included. The signals from me, Mr. Elvis, you know, they're included. Trading system, you get a professional scalping trading system, that's included. You get a special indicator that I've developed and been using for years, which is included. All of that is for one little low price, $69. You know, hey, it's a lot of other companies, they charging a whole lot more and don't give you one bit of what we're doing. So we're not only giving you signals, but we're also giving you a live class with a live professional trading system under the watchful eye of a 7-figure trader who can tutor and teach you how to earn those pips like we do. So it's all inclusive, okay? One of the other benefits about our signal service, because a lot of you guys have been trading for a long time, but you're either not making money on your own or you just don't have time to trade. Whichever way it goes, like I told you in another video, this is a great time to outsource the work. You know, you see exactly what our format is. You see what we do. You understand how we do it. This is sent out in our private Telegram group. So you just get the signals, place the trades on your phone, and go about your day. And there you go. And we've been doing this for several years now. And, you know, hey, we've been rocking and rolling for the last couple of years. So again, it's just up to you, but I did want to do this little short video just to kind of show you what it looks like so you can actually see it for yourself. And again, this trade we've already won this evening. We've already won this trade. So let's see. Again, today is May the 22nd, 2022. So you can go to your own charts and check this entry. You can check this stop loss, and you can check this take profit, and you can confirm for yourself whether this was actually a legitimate trade or not. So you'll know that, hey, I'm not faking charts, I'm not faking this and that, but this actually did happen. And then I sent them out an update, which I'm about to go to bed now and get some sleep. But as you can see, with the target was, as you can see, if you do the numbers from here to here, it was approximately 41 pips or whenever the person's entered the trade. Okay, so basically we made about 41 pips or something like that in between, you know, whatever it was. But I counted off our stop loss with 41 pips. Our take profit was 41. So we did a 1-to-1 on this one, and we hit the target on that. So again, between Friday and today, that's 3 trades in a row. And we're just waiting for this USD CAD trade. And by the time you watch this video, again, you'll be able to see the entry price. You'll see the stop loss and the take profit. So you'll be able to see exactly what we had and how it turned out for yourself. Now, do we win every trade? Of course not. That would be silly to think that anybody would ever win every single trade they take. But I will tell you this, in the several years that we have been trading, we only have maybe 1 or 2 weeks where we did not have a winning week, and that was a couple of years ago. That was maybe 2 years ago, and that was because the markets during that week were off the chain terrible. But since then, we typically have a winning week. How many wins? It varies depending on what the market is giving us. But you know, we typically turn a profit every single week, and we've been doing that. And even if the market is kind of sloppy on the signal side in the scalping group, they mash it. Like last week, unbelievably, they took away about 20,000 pips. And you say, that is freaking impossible. Actually, it's not, because not only do they trade sometimes the Forex market, but primarily they trade also the indices, and which mean the Dow, the S&P 500, and the NASDAQ. So they scalp those a lot. And those, if anybody ever traded those, you know that that market, their pip count is completely different from the Forex market. So they offer a whole lot more pips. So you can make a lot more money, a lot more faster. And especially since you're scalping it, you can make it a whole lot quicker as well. So you can use that in conjunction with the signals to just make a ton of profits. But again, that's just up to you. So again, you know, I'm just going over everything that I can possibly think of that people always ask me about in the signals group, so that you can kind of see it, everything for yourself. Okay. So hopefully that answers all the questions. Good night. And again, I will see you on the inside of our signal service if you decide to join. If not, hey, have a great trading week. Thank you.